Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. What I wanted to show you real quick was a little special arrangement that we were able to work out with the monitoring service, one of the ones that we use. They are willing to give you, which is something that we always run into when people are trying to repair their credit, is they want to know, and we want to know before we start working with them, what is going on? Like, what are your negatives? What type of collections that do you have? Well, how would you like to get all of that information absolutely for free and no credit card is required, nothing, just 3 easy steps. You see this? No credit card required. No credit card required. Yes, it's free. The reason why we like this service, well, among others, which is you just know what's going on with your credit, is that you will see specifically what is hurting your score. And will not hurt your score too. This is not like we're pulling something from your, like doing an inquiry. What it's actually doing is going to give you a free summary. And this summary will give you a free score. And it'll also show the things that are on your report that is hurting your credit, that is hurting your credit. So I would really take up on this special offer. This is something that can help you at least see what you're dealing with, and it'll help you make a determination on if you want to get started on your journey to repair your credit. Again, I'll repeat: you're going to get a free score, you're going to get a free credit report summary, and there is no credit card required. I'm going to put the link down below this video. Thank you for your time. This is Stephen A. Williams, president, founder of the creditrepairshop.com.